is time to declutter. Hi, welcome to Big Valley Living. My name is Michelle. Thank you for stopping by if it's your first visit. And if you're coming back, I sure appreciate you coming back to take a visit with us. We're gonna take a little bit of a turn today. It's laundry day. I have a ton of shirts that need to be folded. We have a very, very cool little tool that we've been using since about 2007, 2008. Gonna be getting all this done today because I even cleared out the drawers in my own dresser to make sure that what goes in there is going to be used and worn, and what isn't going to be used and worn is going to probably the SPCA today, because you know, they like to have clothing and towels and things for kittens and poochies that get taken in for various reasons. So I like to donate my clothes to the SPCA for that reason. This is a FlipFold. There we go. That's the whole unit. Okay, let's see how it works. Here's what we do. We're going to take a t-shirt, front side. This is the front side of one of my summertime t-shirts. Front side down with the collar centered as best as possible at the top of the FlipFold. Okay, straighten it out. Make sure you don't have a bunch of wrinkles. And you can see them on the front too, so make sure you don't have any there. So then I'm just gonna pull the bottom of my shirt up a little bit because JJ and I are tall and I just already know this. Okay, so then we're gonna go flip, back, flip, back. Now see how there's that little bit of arm left there? I'm gonna go ahead and get that so it'll be nice and tidy in my drawer, and then boom. A perfectly folded shirt. Now, all of my shirts and all of JJ's shirts are gonna look like this. So in our drawers, actually, it can go 3 wide. And so this is it's just a beautiful presentation. Actually, if you make t-shirts and you either have a business or you do that for your friends and family, you can buy these little bags from Uline and use a FlipFold. And I'll tell you what, I like to do that to get any wrinkles out. You can actually use those bags and your FlipFold to make a beautiful presentation. Now see, this is one of JJ's undershirts. So flip, flip, flip the arm, flip up, boom. And I am just gonna do this until the cows come home. This, I'm trying to use different shirts. This is like more of a tank top kind of a deal. Top of my other t-shirt, boom. And it just stacks up so nicely. Adjust the bottom so it's meeting the bottom of this FlipFold. Over. Okay, now see, these are long sleeves. This isn't just a long shirt, it's a tall shirt. So I have to do this a few times. Boom, 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 boom. And look at that. It's gonna fit right on top of my other shirts. Is that just the stinking coolest thing you ever did see? I am gonna put a link to this below because I am a huge proponent of these, and you can buy them on Amazon. We have an Amazon affiliate link. If you buy from it, you're not gonna pay any more, but you're gonna help us to maybe get, you know, better lighting equipment, sound equipment, that type of thing in the future, or have more options for our lives if you like those. There you have it. I'm gonna go get busy. They just look so tidy and neat. They're easy to get to, easy to identify what you have. I kind of have them by what activities I do with each type of shirt. That's just kind of how I roll. Anyway, I think it's a wrap. And there you have it. FlipFold. Making laundry easy. One shirt at a time. Seriously, thanks a lot for stopping by. Thanks for checking this out. And I'm telling you guys, if you're looking for something to make your life easier, I am all about making things easier. Thank you for visiting Big Valley Living. Share, like, and subscribe if you like this video. And we will see you the next time. Bye.